Oh, rais.
Rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya hii. Daktari William Samoei Ruto. Yes. Ni arari uiki. Na uiki ucio ramuhe a very new reflection na insight ya kuruta riendekithia ria wako ni ukinyithia miaka 25 na nduru raje wira wa gutungania ngo cia mucia ira ni ikinyaniru waje gutungania ngo cia mucia wethe mundu gikuhikia na wethe mundu ngihikia tondu gwika uguo ni gwika ki ni gwika wega
Nigote ya wendi wa Ngai.
Yes. Which is true. Ndiara kiugira atiriri. Sasa wewe kama umefika miaka 25 wewe oa ama uolewe. Sio kushinda hapa huko hapa kilabu hii. Umeenda kilabu ile.
Ndio yako ni kilabu hopping na wena miaka 25.
Yes.
Ndogora ndete kana okahika.
Arau atire mwaki wa kihikori. Ndogo ya gure ni shisha. Akendekithia manyihie bombe
na miago ya guku thi tondu ndeiganagio they settle down in marriage. Well, eta muciari he has a point.
He makes a point. He makes a valid point.
Eta muciari. But eta president you should expect some questions back.
Tondu erwo nao ri eri kare uri iraga atiri munene ndutwarite bururi wega turahikania mutumia ari ya mahiga
mucoke mugie mwana ari eke
nduguo ndwe ndirakimona guko mitandao-ini maramwira atiri turahikania na shaereko.
As a parent,
yes,
he has all the right and the moral authority
to give that riendekithia
eta muciari.
Yes.
No eta president
that's where now the line is.
The game changes.
Yes. Kachongwana naituo wana.
No, na nini.
Na vile ni ngori huku hata kujitoa point A to B ni ngori. Hakuna mboka. Kiroma ngori. Alafu anadai tuoe.
Neugire wehikania na miaka 25.
Yes.
Well, it's very good age mode. Ugihota.
And it is possible people are still marrying even at 25. Some even younger. Kulingana na the trajectory of life you take.
No riure na bane ni oge analyze na bane ne andu aria me miaka-ini iyo ri.
Yes.
Where are they in the society?
That is the begs the question.
Yes. And what are they doing?
Manauga, where are the opportunities?
Yes.
Etondu kindu kiretu ma especially mundu me we kuhikania ni kugia a feeling taweigania momentarily.
For one ukahota kuihunia.
Yes.
Riu wahota kuihunia ukona
the pride and ego in me.
Yes.
Riu no jetuo muthuri wa. Yes. So you know the pundits in books will write mauge wedo. No wedo ni uri thogora.
It comes at a cost,
especially traditionally almost for the man. Yes.
Riu na tutira kiuga ati ni justification ya mundu kwa kuhikania.
Not justification.
Niko tauga mundu ungihota ri is it's a very good age ya kuhikania kana kuhika.
We are just saying a more stable, robust and reliable economy will support stable marriage better.
It's actually automatic.
Yes, it's ripple effect. Kogi karawe uko nini ni marona mawira
mundu ni arathi ugu akona kanyamu gake akainuka na kanyamu muhuko ugu akona no hote kuihunia na hi angigia mutumia na kana no amonagire gia kuria
na ke mutumia akaigwa riri mwana kyo uri ewira mwega ni aruta na kyo uyu no urajuhari no de moika
tondu na wakuhikio ni maroraga
yes
arahika
arahikirau
yes so it's a complex issue.
And you know there is also the modern day technology of social media. It has been bedeviling marriage a lot.
Kio kihiko ni gikoretwo gikihurwo muno
actually kigo marriage is a scam ri nitagikiriirwo muno ni rika riri nini uhoro ucio ri oho na maundu mau mokanaga na you know economic strife.
Yes, any situations.
Yes, kungiagira wega ri ona ni wona wedo ni taru wedo taru ugiko uiharia very low end ri tira ithu igita mundu hane na mbi maundu mau mokaga na ki na wodo.
Yes, rĩu tondu nake mundu rumena kindu mondori ni ahota kwarahuka na nginya akagĩa confidence ya gũkĩa approach ya ngoro ni a potential
suitor.
Yes.
A beautiful bird of paradise. Na ciugo ikahota kumuma ciugo ciare mari akarugamirwo ni kiria nakio. Yageka giko.
Yes.
Patiho pagani kwenda mugathe. No kwirikira.
Rimwe ti kwenda.
Ngai ni akumateithia.
Ni situation ni gwikora.
Yes.
Bururi ungiagira ri mangihikania muno.
Tona to ithe ma MC moi tutaragetirwo mai. Moi kimone turetirwo mostly ri ni mandu akweruhia.
Not newlyweds.
Not newlyweds. Uria wathie kwa a very small girl there with a young man. It's rarer than rare. Either because one they'll probably not afford the service. Yes. Kana matira ikania all together. Yes.
Hiyo ndio maneno iko.
You see, there was I don't know whether it was Colonel Muammar Gaddafi back in Libya. Tigua adomaikania ni kwari na allowance. Before, of course, the West decided he is too ambitious
and too good.
And too good because he was looking for the African unity. You know what na West muno. Yes.
Akimenya riu no nginya etherwo kirei.
Tigua ku adomaikania they would enjoy a government allowance. Yes. Wade university waikania there was very good there was a benevolent dictatorship kind of leadership. Yes. Ere goko kakaundu kauri na tikana gakwirira ati mundu agianda tondu
no, those are two different things.
They call it scam.
Kuhika na kugianda ri maundu meri tofauti. Gutire mundu take
kuhanda ri mundu wothe wina biological capability ri
no henda.
Kuhika is where now we are ina kuhikania
kana munene heka undu arethunda kurehe kagina riu no kurehe kagina kia in the offing
kureho
inua doa
doa fund
no kurehe kagina karenda guka
kwa kina doa kwa kina doa fund
doa program ri
kusajili ndoa yako bonyeza hakikisha mmepiga picha na yule uliyemuoa
to redeem the door fund.
Your door fund balance. No door fund no itweke riri. You see what happens in the West? Mundu athie ku nigetho heo citizenship ri no amba okaika ki munyonyo na ndi mwadi voice no ikia ringi
no goe na ndoa fund irabango
kuingia katika ndoa
bonyeza star.
Je, ungependa kuingia katika ndoa? Uko na miaka 25 kuenda juu.
Jiandikishe kwa chifu wako.
Serikali inahamasisha wewe mwanarika usikae nje ya ndoa. Tunataka tukifika Singapore uwe kwa akina ndoa kusimamisha ujumbe huu. No, but marriage is beautiful. No, we cannot test. It is beautiful.
Marriage
Some of us, we have worked the way up. Maybe the situation was different, but either way, what's your anyway? Yes.
Again, it's very personal.
It's a very personal decision. Yes. Mr. President, do us a favor by introducing affordable wife program. Marriage is not generally very affordable.
It is not.
So there are the options.